Hello, welcome back to the channel. Straight away, let's dive into how to create a document on Monday.com, your ultimate guide for 2025. First off, log into your Monday.com account. Now that we've done that, find and click on the New button on your dashboard. The reason we do this is to initiate the creation of a new document or file. It's your first step in organizing your work or project. Next up, select Document from the drop-down menu. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is now preparing a blank canvas for you to work on. This helps us because it provides a clear, organized space for you to start drafting your thoughts or plans. Now, it's time to give your document a name. Click on Untitled Document at the top of your screen and type in your desired title. This is essential because a well-named document helps you and your team to easily locate and identify it later. Once you've named your document, you can start typing in your content. There are various formatting options at the top of the page. The reason we do this is to structure our document in the most visually appealing and easily understandable way. Don't forget to save your work frequently by clicking the Save button. Let me explain why this matters. It prevents any loss of data due to unexpected glitches or shutdowns. To wrap things up, creating a document on Monday.com is as simple as logging in, initiating a new document, giving it a name, typing your content, and saving your work. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, organization is the key to success.